How to get voice chat on Roblox mobile. So first, open up your Roblox app. Once you're there, just simply click on the more icon here at the bottom right corner. Then scroll down a little till you see the settings option. Simply click on that. Then go to account info here at the top. Then wait for it to load. Once it's all loaded up, just simply scroll down till you see the personal page right here. And as you can see, my age is verified. So first, you need to verify your age first, and once your age is verified, you now go up again and click on the account info right here. Then click on privacy. Then just scroll down a little till you see the microphone and camera input. And as you can see, it says there that use microphone to chat with voice. So just simply enable that by clicking the switch option right there. And here, just simply click on enable again. You could also read this if you want. And after you've done reading and click on enable, as you can see, it will automatically activate. And that's how you basically get voice chat on Roblox mobile.